Are you able to see? Yes. So what is the first method? Here how many states are there? 4 states are there. So very first we will start with P, initial state. So this P is moving on 0 to which state? PQ. So I need to make one state as PQ. Right? Then P on 1 moves to P. So there will be a self loop. Right? Next, Q on 0 moves to R. So there is a no Q state. So I need to make one state as Q state. And Q on 0 moves to a state R. Right? Next, Q on 0 moves to R and Q on 1 also moves to R. So I have also completed second row. Now third row. R on 0 moves to S. R on 0 moves to S. S is a final state. So let me make this as a final state. R on 1 moves nowhere. So no transitions to be shown for 1 input. Now S on 0 and 1 moves to itself. Right? Now, here, for all these 4 states, we have shown here all the transitions. Now, here we got state PQ. Okay, so this is your PQ state. So now we need to test it for on 0 where it will move. So PQ, so we need to do union of these 2 rows. Okay, so PQ on 0 moves to PQR. Are you able to understand? See, here these 2 states we need to combine, union. So PQ is a state. So PQ on 0 moves to combination of these 2. So this is giving you PQR as a new state. So I need to make that as a new state, right? So suppose I'm making new state as here PQ on 0 moves to a state named as PQR, right? Now next, PQ on 1 moves to a state named as PR, right? So I need to show it as whether PR state is available in this. No, it is not available. So what I need to do? I need to again create one state which is shown as what? The PR state, right? So here I will show as PQ on 1 moves to PR state on 1, right? Next, so the turn of PQ is over. We have considered both the things. Now next is we have generated which 2 states? We have generated now PR and PQR states, right? So now we have to check it for PR as well as PQR. So now if we are considering PR, so PR is a new state. So PR on 0 moves to where? See, now we have to consider the combination of which 2 states? I need to consider the combination of this PR, that means this row and this row. Okay, so it will be what? PR on 0 moves to a state named as PQS, right? Which is not available. So I will write here PQS. Similarly, this PR on 1 moves to P dash. That means only to P. So I can make this transition as this. Clear? So the turn of PR with 0 and 1 is also over. Now we have again 2 states remaining for which we need to check the transitions. So now next turn is of PQR. So now we need to do the combination of how many states? these three states, PQR, this is a PQR. So PQR on 0 moves to PQRS. Okay, so I will write here PQS on 0, is it? Sorry, PQR. We are talking about PQR. PQR on 0 moves to PQRS, right? Now, should I make all these states as a final state? S is available, so this will be our final state as well. Here also there is a S, so I need to make this state as a final state, right? So PQR on 0 moves to PQRS, and PQR on 1 moves to this 3 rows combination. So it is PR state. Is it available? PR is available? Yes, it is available. So PQR on 1 moves to PR, right? Now next, PQR turn is over. Now there is a turn of PQS. Now PQS means P, Q and last one. Okay. So PQS, that means this and this. So it will be P, Q, R and S. So PQS on 0 also moves to what? PQRS, and PQS on 1 moves to PRS. PRS named state is available here. See, P, R and S. PRS state is not available. So I need to have one state. So since S is involved, I should make it as a final state and nominate it as what? PRS with 1. See, PQS on 1 moves to PRS state. So the turn of this is also over. Now still we have got 2 more states, right? Now here, if we are getting 2 more states, so we need to identify this thing. So here PQS now is over PRS. So PRS means PRS. So P, R and S. So it is moving to PQS. PRS on 0 moves to PQS. PQS is available, yes. So it is 0, right? Next, PRS on 1 moves to P and S. PS is available. State PS. See, P, R and S. On 1 moves to PS state. So anywhere PS state is available? No. So I need to make another state as PS state on 1, right? Next, there is a turn of PQRS. So in the PQRS, what we have got? Here we are getting for PQRS, PQRS on 0 moves to, we have to combine this whole column. So it is going to give you same thing. So on 0 it is moving to same state, and on 1 it is moving to PRS. PRS is available? Yes, it is available. So 1. So the turn of PQRS is also over. Now we have remained with one more state, that is PS state. So here the PS state is what? PS state is nothing but this first and last row. So PS on 0 moves to PQS. PQS is available? Yes, it is available. So there will be a transition like this. So PS on 0 moves to PQS, right? And then PS on 1 moves to PS. Is it? First is PQS and PS on 1 moves to PS itself. Now, when we have done this last contained discussion, that time what happened? That time what happened? That we have not received any new state. So whether the turn of all the states are over? Now what is the observation? Which are the states? Now again, if we will observe here, you will see that there is no transition existing for some of the states. Is it? So finally, what we can conclude, if I will draw a table for this, it will be like this. So you can easily see this part is totally disconnected. Is it? So 2, this was our second state, 2, 3 and 4. This is not having any combination here. Combination in the sense there is no any transition existing from initial state to these 3 states. So easily we can cut down this. Okay. And now we will try for any minimization is possible. Nominating, I'm writing here below it. It is A. This is suppose B, C, D, E, F, G and H. How many states? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So let me nominate same way A. Okay, let me make it here. So this is my summation, this is my Q. And here I will be having 0, 1 and my states are A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Any more? H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Right? Which is the initial state here? A is the initial state. Which are the final states? So C is a final state. Similarly, D is a final state. Then C is a final state. No, it is not a final state. D is a final state. Then G is a final state. Then F is a final state. And H is a final state. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 states are there which are final state. Right? Now we will start working on it. So one by one we will fill all these things. A on 0 moves to C. A on 1 moves to itself. Then B, this is my B. So B on 0 moves to D. B on 1, there is no transition for 1. Or I missed it. So PR on 1, it is moving to A. Then there is a turn of C. C on 0 moves to E. C on 1 moves to B. Next. So turn of C is over. Now there is a turn of D. So D on 0. D on 0 moves to F. D on 1 moves to G. Next, E. E on 0. E on 0 moves to F. E on 1 moves to B. Next. So turn of E is over. Now F. This is F. So F on 0 moves to itself. And on 1 moves to G. Now this is G. So G on 0 moves to D. G on 1 moves to H. Lastly, H on 0 moves to D. Is it? And then H on 1 moves to H itself. Okay. Now, do you have any observation from this? Can we minimize this particular DFA? Are you finding anything which is same or equivalent states? Are you finding CA anywhere you are finding? No. DA nowhere. EB nowhere. FG, yes, FG we are finding two ways. This is one FG and this is another FG. But are they equivalent? Yes, D is also final state and F is also final state, right? So we can discard one of the states. So after discarding, so this is repeating, right? So we can discard this. So and we can write what it is. D is equivalent to F. So wherever F will appear, we need to replace it by D. Next, DH. Yes, DH is also available and both are final state. So again, we can discard this particular row, right? So after discarding, and we can have the equivalence as what? What is equivalent to what? G is equivalent to H, right? So now in this table, wherever we are finding, since we have cut down F and H, so wherever we are finding F and H, it should be replaced by corresponding equivalent state. So now here F is available, F is available, F is available, here it is available. So this F will be replaced by D, right? Then G is available. G is already there, we cannot replace, we have to replace only discarded states. So it will be DG. Next, again we are finding F, it will be replaced by D. Again, we are finding in this row H, right? So H will be replaced by G. Now what is the observation? See again. Now newly identified transitions are CA, DA, EB, DG, DB and DG. So again you can see here DG. This is a new combination, DG, right? And here also this newly H is converted to G. So it will become combination as GG. They are same, but whether they are of same type, yes, G and G both are final state. So we have find out in the next iteration that D is equivalent to the G, right? So every G will be now replaced by D. So after replacing this, what? G. So where we are finding? We are finding this as a G, right? So this G will be replaced by D, right? And next, again anywhere we are finding G in whole, this G is, this is discarded, is it? This G is now discarded. This is not available. So finally, how many states are remaining in a finalized GFA? So let us once again draw it. So it will be having how many states? So it will be having now summation Q 0, 1, right? And from these observations, how many states are remaining? A, B, C, D, E. These three are also discarded. So A, B, C, D, E. This is your initial state and this is your final state. E is also, sorry, D is final state. This is not your final state. A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 states are there. D is a final state. And now we will write all the transitions C, A, D, A, E, B, D, D, and D, B. Okay. And if we will draw this, so A on 0 moves to C, A on 1 moves to itself, B on, so this is suppose B, B on 0 moves to D, D is a final state, so let me mark it as final state. So D, B on 0 moves to D, B on 1 moves to 1, C, C on, so there will be another state E, so C on 0 moves to E, C on 1 moves to B, then D on 0 moves to D and on 1 also moves to itself, and finally there is a turn of E, so E on 0, so E on 0 moves to D and E on 1 moves to B. Sorry, have I made any mistake? Turn E on 0 moves to D and E on 1 moves to E on 1 moves to E on 1 moves to B. So have I considered all the transition? A0, 1, B, 0 and 1, C, 0 and C on 1. C on 0 moves to E and C on 1 moves to B. So this was remaining. So C on 1 moves to B, then D to itself, and E on 0 moves to D. And now compare this diagram with just drawn. Are you able to see? I'll just compare this. Okay, only our nomenclature. So if we want to show the equivalence, there are 5 states. Here also there are 5 states. Now here D is final state, here E is final state. So if I interchange the nominations of E and D, it will look like, again, here we have C as B and B as C. Okay, so if I make it as per this, every A is on 0 moves to B. So our B state is, this is, if I nominate it as B, so it will be as it is. So B, then D, A, E, then C on. So C is nothing but B. B is nothing but B. So if you will compare these two, if you compare these two diagrams now, are you able to compare? So now see these two diagrams. There is a state A, on 1 moves to itself, on 0 moves to B. So actually it is our B in this diagram. Okay. Then this B on 0 moves to, so this is our D as per this, right? On 0 moves to D, on 1 moves to, so this is our C as per this moves to, so this is C on 1 moves to. Next, what is B on 0 moves to D, B, C on 0 moves to, so this is your D state. Again, this on 1 moves to this. Again, if I will take it here, it will be same. Okay. So finally, we can conclude that by the direct method also, we can have the same DFA as we have designed or converted into the using the method 1 and method 2. So it is as good as if you will replace C by B and this type of replacement. This is your E, right? So likewise, you will get the same diagram. So I hope you have understood.